Guys, let's talk about baby daddy abangafuni ukondla abantwana. Yazi ngicele intombazana ithi yona baby daddy wakhe no akafuni ukondla and baby daddy bebejola for years. So baby daddy akafuni ukondla ngoba uthole igirlfriend entsha. Yazi into edinayo ngale ndaba ukuthi le girlfriend entsha wayengamtsheli ukuthi wondla umntanakho naye it's a woman naye. As a woman wayemangadvisana nale ntombazana ukuthi ba-encourage baby daddy ukuthi awondle umntwana. How do you sleep with a man knowing ukuthi umntanakhe walowo ndoda leyo ulambile? Yina nidlile nisuthi nabaya amapaki nahamba ama-movie nadla ama-McDonald's kodwa umntwana ulambile. Yazi baby daddy ninkinga basenifika la then niphika abantwana ngathi ubona umntwana onenhloko enkulu njengawe yonke into njengawe mara uyamphika sibe sibona eka siyabona phela umntwana ukuthi wakho lo mntwana lo kodwa uyamphika ufana nawe nse akufuneki DNA test inhloko inkulu njenga ikhala likhulu yonke into njengawe nse kodwa umphika ukuthi akuyena wakho ibhantshi elinjani elifanele lakho. Hayi into lana without a condom. Men are failing to take accountability for their actions. Why so uzophika ingane just because sowuthola intombi entsha? Anjani namathanga akuhlanyisa ukhohle ingane yakho ilambe idle i-feeding scheme kodwa uhola ubaba. Hayi noma ungathola i-girlfriend entsha at least wondla umntanakho, take care of your child. Ungahlanyiswa amathanga awabaleki man. Maningi amathanga dala silala amantombazane lihlanyiswa amathanga nje. Wondla umntanakho in everything you do. Wondla umntanakho idlozi naye lizokusmayelela idlozi because into zakho basecala zibheda la is because you didn't do the right things. Udondla ingane yakho phela abantu kuzokuba yinto efara nje is because of these baby daddies are useless. That's why kunento efara. That's why amantombazane they are forcing other guys ukuthi to take care of their kids. Uthola intombazane enomntwana ethi hayi bongawathanda umntwana wami futhi wathanda mina. It's because of these baby daddies babalekile. Yabona? And into edinayo ngalaba these girls why baforsa step father ukuthi awondle umntwana kodwa ehluleke ukuforsa ulukuzana baba umntwana ukuthi awondle umntwana. Nani ni wrong mantombazana. As much as a baby daddy ba wrong, nani ni wrong. Yabona? Ni wrong mantombazana. Encourage nabo baby daddy benu. Nani choosani ngahambe nilala nje namajita umbona ukuthi uyabheda lo mjita. Umjita umbona kahle ukuthi alonge yamoto umntanakho. Yabo? Kodwa uyambona ayikho responsible, ingqondo ayikho. Yabona indaba ukuthi nibe nama lokuzana ama-buddies okulalana. Yekeni mantombazana. That's why baby daddy cause nivumelana ngokulalana kuphela. Manje ukondla kwabantwana was not part of the agreement. And nanilala without protection. Usani protection girls. Why ni so? Uyambona umjita ukuthi akana intention ukuthi awondle umntwana. Ukuthi abe nomntwana akaze akhulume ngawo about having kids akazimiselanga awabona i-future nawe lihlala embhedeni kuphela kodwa wena ufuna ukumithela. Akhona ama-morning after pill, khona ama-prevention, khona ama-condom. Zonke lezo zinto lezo asetshenziswa ngani? And this thing ukuthi baby daddy basathola umsebenzi ade hlupheka baby mama basethola umsebenzi athola intombi entsha seyamlahla baby mama ngenxa umsebenzi omusha udakwa imali. Yena udakwa imali ma-gents yena udakwa imali yohlezi ikhona futhi abanye ama-gents abadakwa imali. Umuntu uhambule ngoba akanamali wamnika imali yatshintsha. Hayi man amajita yekelani into eyenzayo kazi ngiyanikhuza. Kuze into zenizube grand ukukhanye uNkulunkulu uzoliblessa nani. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe to my. Thank you so much. I'm approaching 700 subscribers now. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Keep supporting. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you.